The countdown is over. What you've been waiting for begins now.
Let go of my hand.
Experience the cinematic revolution of Haitian cinema.
Ele satisfait tout sens. Vous comprenez?
Yeah, I'm comprendre.
Live in Miami at the legendary Fillmore Miami Beach on Sunday, December 7th at 6 p.m. The red carpet ignites for the most anticipated premiere of the year, The Dangerous Seduction.
C'est un monde qui méchant, c'est un monde qui dangereuse.
Where love, power, and betrayal collide.
C'est pas avantage de moi. He used me.
A night of unity, star power, and unforgettable moments.
Smith, sorti là. Et ce pas quitter le bout.
Tickets are available now, exclusively on Ticketmaster. Be there and witness history in the making.